So you think you want to do van life? Good morning, everybody. We're gonna give you a small van tour after I fix up my little thing right here. And right there's a public bathroom. Shall we? I really need to pee. Oh my god, there's so many pigeons. I love being in van life. You wake up literally in the destination where you want to be for the day. And sometimes you can watch the sunrise.
Are you making movies?
I am! Good morning!
Good.
But I am not taking you guys in the restaurant. You can stay with John.
Morning.
Hello everybody, are you ready? I'm so excited to give you guys this van tour. John and I decided to get on the van to live in a van and travel around when we're in Hawaii. So here's the van tour that you never asked for. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. And if you know me, I love traveling and adventure camping. So here is our van that we rented on Airbnb in Oahu, Hawaii. John and I decided to rent a van instead of living at a hotel and renting a car traveling around the island. We opted out for a van. So here is our 200 square feet living space for the past 4 days. Right here we have everything that is drying. We don't have like a hanging rack that I know of, and we just have it hooked onto these. This is just a storage space, kind of like an overhead on an airplane. And here is the mirror. This one right here is our dear bathroom. We have our towels, 2 racks of towels, toilet paper down here, and then we have our shower. It does have a light in here. We never use the shower because it seems like a lot of hassle, and being in there claustrophobic is kind of crazy. That is actually the toilet. It's completely covered. The waste is under the trunk and you're supposed to take it out, but we never use it. We don't want to touch our shit. Like literally, we don't want to touch our shit. Hey, what's inside this mirror?
Sorry.
Our closet. It's like 5, 6 tiers of those hanging things that you have in your closet, and then we just store everything in here. He does have a safe if anybody breaks into your bed, because you know that actually happens. Closet is really nice because it's like brightly lit under this sunroof here, and other than the space is kind of tight. This is our kitchen counter. We do have a small table that can just get lifted, and then we have a little bit more space to cook. Let me take you to the kitchen. Here's our kitchen. We have a light up here. All of these lights you can turn on and off, on and off, on and off like that. Very useful. We have a small sink and a stove here. Here we go. Stove. It actually works, so it's great. And this one is our sink right there of dirty dishes because we run out of water. So I'm gonna have to wash this in a bathroom sink. And then there's more to the kitchen. We have a mini fridge and we have a drawer that's very, very hard to open, but it's great because when you're driving you don't want everything opening up. So this one we'll have to kind of push it up and then take it out. And we have like random kitchen items. They also give us a first aid kit, which is so important. You never know what can happen out in the adventure, you know. Then we do have a lighter because that is how we're gonna light up our stove. Let me show you guys what's in my mini fridge. Like basically everything that's going bad because we also did not turn on the generator for long. Whew. This is our mini fridge. We have like literally 2 eggs left, bananas, and a bunch of Bud Light because we decided we want to buy like a whole box of 12, and I'm the only one who's drinking beer. who knows. Over here we have like a light that turns on. Thank God it turns on. This is like another light down there so you don't trip over at nighttime. Oh, we also have another solar panel light that lights up on itself. When we open the door completely, they will get light. And this is our lock. And lock. And this door, honestly, is the biggest headache. Like, I have to open this and I have to push it. I have to push it. I really, oh, there we go. Life outside and breathe. And there's another small closet here that has some cleaning supplies, a broom and sweepy thing, and then the scrubby for your dishes. And then down here is like some plugs that we can use. This is a button for the fridge. Well, it's red because it ain't got no power. There we go. And behind you we have the Yeti and the trash can and the little carpet area and the captain and co-captain's seats. Yeti is so helpful. This is the super Yeti. It keeps everything cool, especially cold if you have ice in it. And trash can that closes, very important. I think he fastened everything with like Velcro underneath. Some like super tape here so they don't slide during the drive. Sorry, we have our pan here because we didn't do dishes yet. And then a small step here that we always trip over. TV that doesn't work because we also don't have too much power to generate that. This corner probably have John and I's DNA on it because we hit it like 10,000 times while trying to get back here. Scenic window to your left. Beautiful scenic window to your right. And all of these blinds can come off. Very useful when you're trying to get some privacy. More vents up here to keep the people in the back cool. Not gonna lie, these chairs are actually very comfortable. We have this, the mirror, the light, backup thing that doesn't really work because we have the entire back rack in the back. So you can't really see anything. Then it's all a really weird like party light. Like, okay. Another light. And then some of the buttons up here that we don't really use or they don't really work. The back AC works, that one works. It's a really loud vent. And you see these like snap buttons there? There's another one here and another one over there. He also set up Velcro up there in the corner, like right here. This is where we put our blind, like we seal the entire thing up so no creeps can look into your car. Hey, what's up? Now we're just taking off the blinds. Handmade blinds. And from the front dash, we brought our own phone holder because where the hell are we going to go? This thing is the most useless item in the car. It's charged by solar, it takes forever. I don't even know how to charge it. So the backup camera basically doesn't work. Have the fan, you can turn it on by pushing the button. Oh wow. Wow. It's getting hot. Okay. That's that. Dashboard just looks like this. It's an old Volkswagen. Nothing fancy. Cup holder down there. We got our speaker, toilet paper. Here's our side door. Of course, a beer. And open this door. It's slightly difficult, but it's manageable. Basically getting over here, trying not to fall and kill yourself. There. Hey, we're back in the outside of the car. So you see, those lights will turn on at night because they're charged by solar. We have like a ring. The vents in here is where people can hear me vlog about this van. Look at the reflection. Shows you how dark this van is. I don't know what that holds. I don't know what that holds. I don't know what that holds. Probably gas. Don't know what this is. Oh, that's an outlet. Yeah, there's a lot of outlets here. This one is a lockbox that we put our keys in. When you open the door, you open it all the way out here. There's a little hook. You just hook it in. So it won't fly away. Let's go to the other side of the car. Bikes that is gonna cost you $150 for an entire trip. No, thank you. Not sure what that is. Probably something with the water. Don't know what this is either. Let's not forget the very useful microwave that only gets power if we turn on our generator. Microwaving hot water using the generator. Spam master, of which the switch is right here. So these are like some fancy switches here. We got the water pump and we got the generator. Let me turn it on for a bit just so you know how it sounds. There we go. It's so loud. But wait, my fridge is gonna be cool now. Let me see. So gonna wait. Oh, see, turn green. Now we'll have cool beer for the next hour or so. But I'm gonna have to turn it off because you guys can't hear me. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, generator. Obviously, we do not sleep like that. And obviously, we'll probably turn it on when we're actually parked somewhere, not residential, and we'll just leave it on for like 10 minutes to kind of charge everything in this business. So to all of yours excitement and anticipation, this is our bedroom. This is where the magic happens, you know what I mean? This is a good size bed, and it's kind of like a full size mattress. Not a mattress because it's actually two sofas converted into a bed, so there's like a dip in the middle. You can see it. It doesn't really feel like anything. John fits just right, and he's like, sometimes he has to put his leg up or like over there, but I fit comfortably. The bed is actually very comfortable, and I somehow feel safe with a wall there, a wall there, a wall here, and a wall over there. So I feel like I'm cradled a little bit, so it feels good. And for me, I have plenty of space. I can do leg raises like this. I can do sit-ups. Ah! All the logos. I actually really like how they interiorly designed this place. Just the lighting is kind of whack because it's like fluorescent lights. All of these are empty. It's just for show. Yeah, they're empty. And this thing obviously is glued to the counter. This is a pull-out table that we can pull out. I'm gonna ask John to do that. I'm not gonna break my nails. John's gonna demonstrate how to take out the table.
All right. You lift it up.
See, I wasn't gonna do this to break my nails.
Yeah. Little handle here. Be careful. Use two hands. The handle's right here.
Okay.
Lift it up. And you fold it in. Like this. And you have a dining table.
Wow, breakfast in bed, bro.
Breakfast in bed. All you need is food, but we don't have any, so. So fine.
I wasn't gonna do that on my own. Thank you for the muscle of my life.
Aloha.
And behind the pillow is like a small container that you can put your things, flowers. Other side we have a Yeti 400 Gold Zero battery, probably charged by the generator or solar panel. I'm not really sure. Click on AC, click on USB, click on this to choose whatever you're going to charge. And he's really smart that he gave us a extension cord that we can charge a lot of things I want. And another great thing about this car is it has a lot of outlets. Like there's outlets here, there's outlets here. There has an outlet, over there has an outlet, over there has an outlet. But these lights are also here. Turn it off like that. And then we also have overhead compartment. Right here is our kitchen items. We have some pots and pans, plates, paper plates, and a basket of a really disgusting knife in here. And this side, it was empty, but I decided to put our camera equipment in there so then they don't slide around, they're easy to get to. I think this is it for the interior because, oh my god, is this the end of Ventura? Sorry guys, I do not have a pet snake named Alfredo on this truck with me. I wish I do, I honestly do. Oh man. Oh my god, bird poop!
Squirrel!
Alright guys, that is the end of our Ventura. Yeah, what do you think? This is just a small 200 square feet vehicle, so it's not like a whole room tour. And I didn't get to decorate this because this is a Airbnb rental. So I hope you guys like this and find it interesting to actually see how it is to live in a van. Overall, it's like very exciting and very tiring. But if you want to find out more about how we feel about this van specifically and traveling in it in the past 4 days, I'll have another video up. So look out for that, which means you need to subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you've ever been in a van life, and if you think like you have a question for one of the things I did or did not mention, hit me up. So what are we waiting for? I will see you guys on the next one.